Hello friends, in this particular video I'm going to talk about string search making use of Boehmer algorithm. This particular video I will be emphasizing on bad character rule. What this is all about? Well, here is a sequence of character. We are considering this to be a text and its associated index. I have a string which I'm going to search by the name called pattern and its related index. According to Boehmer algorithm, we will come across few steps. Step 1. The rule says is that we have to start the search from right to left. So here is what my pattern is and here is my text. So we are searching, but the search starts from right to left. So the last character of the pattern is C. We are going to map with that of the A in the text, and it do not match, isn't it? So the character that did not match in the text is A. We call this as a bad character. That's the reason why it's called bad character rule. So A over here is a bad character. Okay, got it. Now we will identify the index in the pattern where it got mismatch, and that is index number 3 because C has index number 3. So we store the 3 inside a variable called J. So J holds the index of the mismatch character from the pattern. Okay. Now what about the bad character? Well, the rule goes is that the bad character, which is A, we are going to search inside the pattern that whether this particular character exists or not. Well, as you can see over here, the letter A, which is a bad character, is there in the pattern at two different index. So which index are we going to consider? The very last index where that pattern occurs. So A, I mean not pattern, rather the bad character occurs. A, which is a bad character, occurs at the index 0 as well as an index 2. So we will store the last occurrence of the bad character in the pattern, that is index 2. Here is the variable I have declared last underscore occurrence equals to 2. Okay, and now we come to the third step, is to find how many shift we are going to do. The formula is very straightforward. J, which is 3, minus the last occurrence, which is 2, that is 1. So we are going to move our pattern one step toward the right hand side, and that's how this particular image is now getting transformed. So we have shifted our pattern one place. Now again we are going to repeat the same thing. The last character in my pattern is C. We are going to compare with the text and it comes up to be B. So B is my bad character. The last index of the pattern that mismatch is 3. Once again I will store it over here. And the bad character, which is B, we will check whether this bad character occurs in my string, pattern string. And what is the index? The index is 1. So we write it as J minus last occurrence, like what we did over here, that is 3 minus 1, and we get the value 2. So that means we will shift our pattern 2 steps toward the right hand side, and that's what we have done over here. See, from 1 and 2 we have shifted that, and now again we will compare the comparison, and this time the comparison is found to be true because C is C, B, A is A, B is B, and A is A. And that's how the bad character rule of Boehmer string search algorithm really works. Okay, so that's all from this video presentation. See you soon. Bye bye.